This hair is the very remnants of the Bantu knot out that I did, y'all. It just got to the point. It's very curly. I still have a lot of curls. I still have a lot of definition in here. But it's gotten to the point where I just have it up in this bun. It is so time for a wash day. I will be doing the Soultanicals wash day as advertised on my community page, on the community tab of my YouTube channel. Make sure you check that out because I drop, you know, a few little nuggets here and there on my community tab. It helps me to stay engaged and keep in touch with my audience in between videos. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a $1.25 tree haul video. Ladies and gentlemen, today I take you along with me on my Dollar Tree quest to find more 2023 garden seeds. I did go to 2 Dollar Trees on Saturday when we did the Pacific Coast Highway PCH Drive. I bought a bunch of seeds, but of course it wasn't enough, y'all. I had to get some more. So that's the catch, y'all. I went to another Dollar Tree today in a different area, and I think I got the seeds like fresh out the stand. I might have been maybe the second or maybe even the first person to grab these seeds. I got to explain to y'all by the end of the video. I was a little matter-of-factly. I just want to let you know I have calmed down since then. It is several hours later, but just something about the situation just really got me hot under the collar. I am calmed down. It wasn't nothing serious or dramatic. You'll see when you hear what I have to say. But I just felt like I had to say something. And speaking on that, y'all, I am seriously thinking about creating a different channel or having a presence on a different platform that is more compatible with the First Amendment. Ladies and gentlemen, I am in my 3rd Dollar Tree. I went to 2 Dollar Tree stores yesterday. I racked up, I already have probably 90 packs of seeds, but if you can see behind me, it's about to go down. It looks like I have hit this Dollar Tree, this particular location, like right off the bat. Everything is full, and I'm about to get as many seeds as I can. I finally went to 2 Dollar Tree stores yesterday, way outside of my area, and they finally put out their seeds. And y'all, I racked up. I want to say I just want to fill in the gaps and get what I don't already have, but y'all know I can't trust myself. All right, so the hot pepper, and then y'all know the stuff don't be like it's supposed to, so sometimes you gotta look through. Now I have these cayenne peppers, the Hungarian yellow wax. I'm pretty sure I have that, but let's just pick up 1 pack in case I don't. Serrano chilies, I think I have these from 2022, but we're gonna pick up one of those. Usually I buy 2 packs of each kind of seed. Sweet Italian, I bought that yesterday. Genovese, I got that yesterday. I did get lavender, oregano, parsley. I didn't get that, even though y'all know my parsley is going just out the bucket, about to fill up the whole backyard. But I gotta get some more sage. I bought that thyme. This not French breakfast radish. I don't know, y'all. Who tried that? This gourmet blend. I believe I bought those yesterday. I don't know. I might pick up one of each. Just so what I do, y'all, is I pick up like a whole bunch of seeds, and then I go back at the end, and then, you know, kind of see what I want. The Roma tomatoes, I think I got 2 of those. I know I got at least 1, and I tried to take some pictures of the seeds. I'm gonna go back and look through my pictures and see if I could tell what I got. Y'all, let me just make sure, because like I say, sometimes when you go through the bag, it's mixed up. But this looked like it came like straight off the the shipping container, so everything might exactly be like it's supposed to. Nope, look, as soon as I said that, that's not the case, because I see something back here. Sugar snap peas. I think I got those, but let me pick this up. Oh Lord, I dropped the seeds. All right, you can never have too much. These Detroit dark reds, I have one of those. I don't eat beets like talking about it, but you know what, I only bought 1 pack, so I'm gonna get those. The Swiss chard, I have 2 of those. Ooh, habanero hot peppers. I know I don't have that, so I don't want that. Ooh, y'all, I'm squatted down. You know I'm about to fall and hurt myself. Let's see, the contender, I have those. The blue lake bush, I have those. Top crop, I have those. Top crop, red corded Chantenay. I know I bought these, but I can't remember if I got 1 or 2 packs. Let's look. Little marble peas, I have that. Paris Island cos lettuce, I still have that back from 2022. I know I got at least 1 of these yesterday. Let me just pick it up just in case, y'all. And I'm sorry if the camera's like way too close or whatever, but dwarf, the kale, I got that. The market more, I believe I got 2 of those. Let me just get one just in case. Oh Lord, y'all, now I gotta go. Little marble peas, I got that. The sugar snap, let me get another one because that was at the top. This sugar snap, I got that. This spinach, I believe I got 2 of those, but y'all, I didn't do too well with spinach last time, so let me just get some more, even though I do have 2022. The summer squash, I think I only had 1 pack of those, so let me get that. And then this is Swiss chard. Alright, so I have those seeds, and this was on the specialty rack. So now let's see for vegetables. Cilantro, I know I have these, but 2 pack of those. The dill, I bought 1 pack yesterday. Let's get that. The basil, the sweet Italian, I have that. They had another kind of basil too. The Cherokee wax beans. Y'all, I think I got that, but let me get 2 more. And I'm gonna I always get, you know, like 4. You know, I even it off to, you know, even off the dollar. So Kentucky Wonder, I think I got that too, but I'm gonna go through the pictures, y'all, afterwards. Let's see, all this Paris Island, this Detroit beets. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all, I ain't even paying attention to where I have the camera. Y'all, my focus is really my focus is on these packs. I can't believe I finally got to a store where I look like I got the first pick. The 2 broccolis, I know I have cabbage, but why do I want to just keep picking up seeds? Cantaloupe, I have that already. Now these carrots, Danvers half long, I know I got that already. Scarlet Nantes, I got that. And I got another kind of carrot too. I forgot what it was, so I'm not gonna get no more carrots. Cauliflower, I got 2 packs, y'all, but let me get 2 more. All right, the muncher, I believe I got that, but and y'all, like I said, I'm pulling out a lot now, but I'm gonna go back because I have to buy them in sets of 4. The straight A cucumber national pickling, I got that. Straight 8, no, I got that. Eggplant, I planted some eggplant. Y'all know in that the left side single stack raised bed, I planted all of those seeds and nothing have come up yet. But it rained all yesterday from about the time that the Super Bowl went off all through the night. So I planted eggplant. I'm gonna pick up 2 packs. I still have some 2022. Or it might be 2023, y'all, because remember I did get some 2023. Lettuce, I feel like I could never have enough lettuce. I got this already, but I'm gonna get it anyway. Iceberg, oh Lord, I can't stand iceberg lettuce, but guess what? I'm gonna get 2 packs of the iceberg. White Lisbon bunching onions, I have a pack of those. Let me get 2 more Alaska peas, California Wonder bell peppers. So I did buy 2 packs of those, but let's look at 2 more. Y'all see how quickly it's adding up? Grand Bell mix, I have that pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. I actually bought 1 pack. I like to buy at least 2. The early scarlet glow. Oh, giant. Hold on, now this spinach is different. Hold on, let's see, because didn't they have a spinach over here, y'all? Oh yeah, see, this is the Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. This is Giant Noble. So let's go ahead and get 4 packs of these. Oh Lord. All right, dark green zucchini. I think I got that, but hold on. I'm gonna just grab 2 more, like, just in case. We got the early yellow. I have the Walton butternut, y'all. Corn. I did get corn last time. I got 3 packs, so let me just go ahead and get 1 more pack to make that even. These tomatoes, why is it upside down? I don't know. Beef steak. I got 2 packs of beef steak. Large red cherry. I got 2 packs of those, and I got 2 other ones. Purple top white globe. I have that already. And then sugar baby watermelon. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is all the seeds. I'm gonna go through these. I'm gonna look at the pictures that I took right before I left the house, and I'm gonna see what I already have. At most, I'll have like 4 packs of each kind of seed, but I like to have at least 2 packs. So y'all, let me like calculate this, and then I'll see the final thing that I'm actually gonna purchase, because y'all, I already have over 80 packs of seeds, and this is easily probably 30 more packs. So let me see, and I'll come back. All right, y'all, I found a spot in the store where I can go through these seed packs, because I have to lay them out so I can see all what I have. So I got the basket right here. I just kind of cleared out this space on this shelf, and I'm gonna lay this out, y'all. So yep, this is what I came up with looking at the pictures of the stuff that I bought yesterday and gaps that I'm trying to fill in. I made sure that I had an even number of 4, and I'm ready to go to the register. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back in my car. I got 46 packs of seeds for $11.50. That's in addition to, I got 28 packs of seeds, and then plus, what, 17 times 4 is what, 68 packs of seeds. So add all that up together, that's how much seeds I have between yesterday and today. And y'all know I got 2023 seeds from the 99-cent store back in September, October, and maybe a little bit of November. Y'all, I want to say this right quick. So I'm getting ready to leave the Dollar Tree. I got other errands to do. I'll piece these little clips of this Dollar Tree seed haul together at some point this week. But y'all, they have one lady working in the store, because when I got here before 8 o'clock. The store opened at 8 o'clock. I got here before then, and at 8 o'clock, you know, I went to go in the store and the door was still locked. And then maybe just like 2 or 3 minutes, it wasn't really that long, I saw a lady walking around in the store, and she had the little, you know, cash register, the little money thing in her hand. So I saw that somebody was in the store. So I went back by the store. By the time I got to the door, she was already opening it. She is the only person in the store. She had to do all of the stuff to open the store, get the register ready. You know, they have displays that they put outside. She had to do the displays, get all of that ready. She's on the cash register. I saw her doing a little bit of stocking. A guy came in wanting to know about a job position. She came in on her off day to meet him for the job interview or the application process or whatever, and he did not show up. She waited an hour past the time, and so, you know, she left. And so the guy was here this morning saying, you know, hey, I'm just asking about the job. And she said, well, I came the time that you said that you would come for the job interview. I came on my off day. I waited an hour after and you never showed up. She said, so I filled the position. I feel so sorry for her. She looked like she was a little bit under the weather. I mean, but if anybody have sense, it's February, it's cold. People cough, people sneeze, people have watery, runny eyes. It doesn't mean that they about to kill you. Y'all, can we please bring common sense back to 2023? Did that come over with us in the, well, actually not with us, but can we just get common sense back? Every February, people cough, people sneeze, they have watery eyes. That, it doesn't mean that they are endangering your life and they are purposely out to kill you. This lady is running the entire store by herself, not feeling well. I said, won't you get you a bottle of water? She said, I can't step away from the register. I said, well, what's going to happen when you got to use the bathroom? She said, I'm going to have to hold it. I said, no. I said, you need to take a quick break, at least grab you a bottle of water. I said, if you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to be able to take care of anybody else in this line. And the store is going to be closed because you're the only one here. I said, you take care of yourself first. Take care of yourself first. If people don't want to wait a couple of minutes for this lady to grab some water or for her to use a restroom, because I'm sure she's not going to go 8 hours or 10 hours, however long her shift is. She probably working the whole day from store open to close, or at least 8 hours or 10 hours. She's not going to go that whole time without, using the restroom. She have to take a break. And if you don't like it, get out the line and go shop somewhere else. Matter of factly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen the video, you kind of saw like my little rant. What you think about what I said? Like, I want to know, do you think I was justified in what I said? You think it was, I don't know, did I go above and beyond? Was it too much? What y'all think? Let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell. Share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed. Why are you making all that noise? You know the phone catching up all of that. By himself so he could start crying? Oh, I got like 60 seconds of something left to say. Maybe 3 minutes.